In this clip we're going to show how to change the fuse in the battery. The Panasonic cell battery is protected with two 15 ampere fuses, and it's also very easy to change. So if your battery, for example, doesn't work, I recommend to check if some fuses is broken to protect your cells inside the battery. And the lid is very easy to take away. It's 3 screws who keep it protected from water, 100% waterproof. And the fuses you can buy in any gas station, and it's a lot of other stores also supply these kind of fuses. This one is not broken. If they're broken, you should see it's burned. These fuses is okay. In this clip we just show how easy it is to change the fuses, and also if the battery doesn't work, this is one good place to look if one of the fuses is broken. And it's also important to put the lid on in the correct way, so it's continue keeping the waterproof. And the screw should be put out hard, but not too hard, so we destroy the screw head. And then it's good to put it back on the battery so you can check the battery is still working. This is an easy maneuver to see. And also make sure you lock it.